In this video, we'll show you how to export the text messages on your Samsung Galaxy phone as PDF. So if you have a specific conversation that includes text messages that you want to export as PDF, it's not possible to do this right from the Messages app. For this, you will need to head to the Play Store and download this free app, that is SMS Backup and Restore. Now simply open it. Now simply tap Get Started and keep hitting allow to enable all the necessary permissions. Once you see this interface, tap on this menu icon in the top left corner. Now select Backup Now. Now here make sure to turn off this call logs toggle. Now tap on Advanced Options. Now you can enable Attachments and Media toggle if you want to include photos and attachments in the PDF file. Scroll down and here select More Backup Locations. Now here enable the toggle next to your phone. Finally hit Backup and then select Yes to confirm. Now simply wait for the app to create a backup. Once you see this backup complete message, tap on the menu icon again. Now this time select View Backups. Now here you will see the backup that you have created. Simply tap on it. Now all you have to do is go through this list and find the conversation that you want to print or export as PDF. Once you have found the conversation, simply tap the three dot icon next to it and then select this print conversation option. Now here you will see this particular interface. Tap this drop down menu and then select Save as PDF. It will show you a preview of the PDF file. Simply tap this yellow download button and choose where you want to save the PDF. So I'll just save it here and tap done. Once the PDF is saved, you can head to the My Files app and you should see your PDF at the location where you have saved it. So this is how your PDF will appear. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch.